this one. Yes. Anything else that looks familiar?
So now I have my text, my picture, and my video link ready on this page. I do want to name the page. So I'm going to click up on Edit Page Name, and I get a little dialog box. And I'm just going to call this page Fairy Shrimp as well. And save it. And now I'm going to add a new page down here. And you see that a maximum of 6 pages can be presented in an activity. If you have more that you want to do on a particular topic, you can always separate that into additional activities. So when I click on New Page, I once again get my choices of activity types. And I was rereading the text that I added, and it talked about the life cycle of the fairy shrimp. So I decided I want to make my next activity type be a visual organizer for sequencing. So when I click on this, I get the activity template, the backbone of my sequencing activity. So I'm going to write my question. Can you put the steps of the fairy shrimp's life in order? And then here I can type in the possible answers. I'll put them in the correct sequence here. When it's published to the iPad, it will show the steps in a random sequence, and then students will need to drag and drop them into the correct order. Eggs hatch. The larvae grow and eat. They shed their skins, and I'll put molt in parentheses as they get bigger. And finally, they become full-grown adults with up to 20 segments. And then I save this. If I had additional steps in the sequence, I could always add another set, and then this would just be another set of steps to put in sequence. But I'm not going to do that right now. I just didn't have enough information in the text for that. So I'm going to delete this set, and it'll ask me if I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. And here you see my original sequencing activity is right there.